What moves us to race year after year? The excitement that rewards overcoming all challenges? The pursuit for the eternal glory of winning? Yet an elusive and tempting goal? The technical challenge and satisfaction of perfecting engineering? Maybe there's something more. Because racing is a true... Ah, come on. Let me finish, guys. Where were we? Rewind and put the music back on, please. Maybe there's something more. Because racing is a true celebration, a way of understanding life, love for the sport, and the passion. Oh, come on. Okay, I think the guys will explain it better.